molecule containing 3 atoms of oxygen is called ozone. Ozone is very rare in our atmosphere, averaging about 3 molecules of ozone for every 10 million air molecules. Ozone plays a vital role in the atmosphere. It shields the entire Earth from much of the harmful UV radiation that comes from the sun. Ozone is mainly found in 2 regions of the Earth's atmosphere. Most ozone, about 90%, resides in a layer that begins between 10 and 70 kilometers above the Earth's surface and extends up to about 50 kilometers. The ozone layer is mainly found in the lower portion of the stratosphere. It contains high concentration of ozone relative of other parts of the atmosphere. The ozone layer was discovered in 1913 by the French physicists Charles Fabry and Henry Buches. The ozone layer refers to a region of stratosphere that absorbs most of the sun's UV radiation. The Earth's atmosphere is divided into several layers, and each layer plays an important role. The first region extending about 10 km upwards from the Earth's surface is called the Troposphere. Many human activities like mountain climbing, gas balloons, and smaller aircraft operate within this region. The next layer is called the Stratosphere, where the ozone layer at a lower portion found. Through the thickness varies seasonally and geographically.
Function of ozone. Stereostrophic ozone, which is high level, is functioned to absorb ultraviolet radiation UV. It is preventing dangerous UV rays from hitting Earth's surface and harming living organisms. UV rays cannot be seen or felt, but they are very powerful and change the chemical structure of molecules. We have 3 types of UV, which is UVA, UVB, and UVC. UVA is not harmful as UVB. UVB decreases atmospheric ozone, cause biological damage, while only UVC gets absorbed by ozone. Next, tropospheric ozone, which has a small of ozone molecules, are both air pollutants, threatening the health of living things, and greenhouse gases, trapping heat and contributing to climate change.
Ozone can be good or bad depending on where it is found in the atmosphere. Stratospheric ozone is good because it protects living things from ultraviolet radiation from the sun, whereas the ground level ozone is bad because it can cause a variety of health problems, particularly for those who have lung diseases. Tropospheric or ground level ozones are produced by chemical reaction between oxides of nitrogen and volatile organic compounds. They came from cars exhaust, power plants, refineries, chemical plants, and other chemicals react in the presence of sunlight, such as free radicals. These bad ozones can trigger respiration diseases. The increase in concentration of ozone in our breathing air can cause variety responses such as chest pain, coughing, throat irritation, and airway inflammation. And worse, it will lead to bronchitis, emphysema, and asthma. Increased exposure of ozones also can affect sensitive vegetation during growing season and affect our ecosystem, including forests, parks, and wilderness areas. It interferes the photosynthesis process, where it can reduce the amount of carbon dioxide processed by the plant and affect the amount of oxygen released by the plant. But it doesn't mean that we have to remove ozone completely from us, because our life depends on it.
Okay, I will continue about how to protect ozone from depletion. This is always caused by the chlorofluorocarbon CFC, which will cause chemical reaction that lead to breakdown of ozone molecule. Therefore, the first way to protect ozone is we must avoid the use of the appliances that produce dangerous gas to the ozone layer, such as air conditioner. Then, we can also minimize the use of car, which the best is cycling and walking when for a distance. And also, if we use car to a destination, we will try to use carpool. Secondly, we need to buy our local product. not only you get a fresh product, but you avoid consuming food that has traveled in long distance. As the more distant travel, the more nitrous oxide will produce. Therefore, we must support our local product and take care of our ozone layer.
As we know, currently our ozone layer is thinning and our ultraviolet index is increasing. So we have to take a good care of our skin, especially when we are going out from our houses, by wearing sunscreen. Take care of your skin.